Alright, here we go for another one. We back. We back. We're doing the custom drawstring bag. Okay, this is what we making today. Let me slap it on so you can see what it's like. I threw the glove inside so you can see what it looks like with stuff inside it. Alright, that's what we making. A cotton drawstring custom bag with the HTV print on the back. Here we go. Let's do it. So first, we cut the vinyl. I already printed it, and I'm using Scissor Easy Weed as always, like I always do. It's an easy peel, smooth process. And it gets the job done. Alright. So we got my Just Grind logo that I'm putting on my clothes, my shirt, my pants, and we're going to throw it on the back today. Okay. Boom. Finished product. Alright, so let's check out the bag real quick. So the bag is 100% cotton. Drawstring. Open that bad boy up. Alright. I don't know how deep or long it is. It looked like about a foot long, foot deep, foot and a half. Who knows? I didn't measure it. But the bag is a nice bag, not too expensive. Not too expensive. It only costs a couple dollars to buy the bag. So you can make a good profit with this one. There's that custom logo, and that's what it's going to look like. And that's it. Alright, so let's get ready for the print. Alright, we back. We ready to print this bad boy. So we're going to preheat it. Alright, so this is the first time I'm printing on a cotton drawstring bag. Alright, one day I just had an idea. I said, if I'm making the shirt and the jacket, we make a bag. We make a bag with it, so I can have the whole set. Alright, so I pre-press, throw the logo on top. We press it at 325. I forgot a little piece on there. Alright, so make sure you double check your vinyl before you press it. Make sure you got everything out. So we press it at 315 for 325, excuse me, 325 for 15 seconds, okay? So that first press didn't work. It didn't stick. So I just did it again. The vinyl didn't stick to the cotton. It's a different type of cotton, obviously, than a t-shirt, right? These bags are a whole lot thicker. So I must have pressed this thing. What is this, number 3 right here? Number 3. And it still didn't stick. You see, it's not sticking. I'm checking. I got to check different areas of it. See if it stick. I couldn't figure it out. It's not true. If it didn't stick, I just can repress it. Trial and error. See, I'll do it like this and figure out what's going wrong until I figure out what's right. So you don't have to figure out what's wrong. See, that corner up there is stuck, right? It was stuck pretty smooth. So I have to peel it from the opposite direction to get everything off. But see, it's not sticking on that left side, so I have to put it back. So I put the oven mitt under there to give it a little more pressure, so that one side sticks up higher. All right, so I can put more pressure just on that one part, and it should stick. Boom, still not sticking. Somewhat. See, it's stuck a little bit on the top left, but that piece, because it's still hot, it starts to fold over. So now I'm just squeezing down a little more and repress it. Let's see. There we go. There we go. So it just needed more pressure for this type of cotton on this drawstring bag. Just needed more pressure. And everything stayed down. So now let's look at it. And to be safe, I'm gonna put it back on there. This is my baby trying to, she thirsty. So I'm gonna put it back on there, press it with the Teflon just for the heat, put some more heat down on it because it's already stuck. So I just want it to be sure. So I'm just gonna repress it in different spots. So I move that oven mitt around. So part of it is elevated and that spot gets the most focus. Boom, here we go. I think I'm only pressing it for about probably 10 seconds on each section. All right. And here we go, finished product. Everything is flat, it's stuck to it. We'll pull the drawstring, open it back up, but I probably should let it sit for a second before I start trying to move everything around.